warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, their esteemed viewers and fans of Muslim News TV across the world. It is yet another edition of our top 10 Muslim stories that made headlines during the week. Interestingly, the data selling allegation against Muslim Pro is among our top 10 Muslim stories of the week. My name is Mariam Olagunju. And now the news headlines in full. Zakat and Sadaqat Foundation disburses 242 million naira zakat to over 3,000 vulnerable Nigerians, take establishments of zakat institutions across the country. At TMC Kosu-Igbodo LCDA, Nigerian Muslim scholar prays for Nigeria, saying call for secession will destroy the nation. Sheikh Abraham Ahmed, Sheikh Imran Eleha, Sheikh Dhikrullah Shafi, and others join Islamic scholars to dissect COVID-19 and such protests have effect at Ulama Conference of CIO. Igbo Muslims call on the Southeast governors to break the silence over the killing of Igbo Muslims. Now on foreign news. U.S. military reportedly buying location data from Muslim prayer Quran apps to spy on Muslims. Stop using hearing applications. Civil rights group CAIR tells Muslim community. Singapore-based Muslim Pro app developer denies selling user data to U.S. military as user uninstall app. New Zealand police introduced the use of the hijab as part of the female uniform as first officer to wear it expresses excitement. Congratulations to our sisters in New Zealand. We hope Nigeria will get to that stage soon. Hindu extremist burns Muslim lady alive over marriage proposal. That's not so good. May Allah forgive her and earn the deepest praise among those he is displeased with. Now on Islam-tainment. Islamist prayer Mesut Ozil says only kindness will disarm the growing Islamophobia in June. And that's all for today on Muslim News TV. You can read the full stories on our website www.muslimnews.com.ng or on all our social medias as seen on the scroll bar below. I am Mariam Olagunju. Till we meet again next week. Ma'assalam.